If you are looking for trends, ideas, tips, and tricks, this video is perfect for you.
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe to be in tune. Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Visit our website, designercheatsheet.com. Let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished. Check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.